Hi, today we're talking about video submit form. So if you're accepting any contest or application videos from the candidates, you can utilize this Notion form to accept those submissions. So we have some very common fields like the name of and the email of the person, the video which you can upload over here, and it is limited to 5 MB. If you want to increase the limit, you need to be a paid user. And if they agree to any terms and conditions which you have specified above, and any comments by the candidate. So all these things they need to fill up in order to submit this form. Once they submit the form, the form response will be captured in the responses side of things. As you can see over here, one response has been captured. So let's quickly test this out. So we will go to the form builder, we'll click on share form, we'll click on copy form link, and we'll expose this link to the particular person who is going to fill out this particular form. So once you expose this link, it will be something like this. As you can see, I'm going to quickly randomly fill in some of the details over here, and then we are going to test it out and see how it exactly works. Okay, so you can obviously upload any file. I'm not going to upload anything. And let me quickly put some things, and then once I click on submit, you can see that the response has been submitted. And if you go back to the responses side of things, you can see that the response has been captured over here. Okay, obviously you can make any field mandatory which the candidate needs to fill. Otherwise you can make something recommended as per your choice. Everything is editable and customizable. You can edit or customize all the fields, any of the fields of your choice. Okay, so I hope this explanation was clear to you how to use a form. But before you leave this video, I also want to highlight about another tool, that is PDF output. PDF output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion page as the source of template file where you can define the PDF template file. And it also requires a Notion database, which acts as a source of database that can help generate all the documents in bulk, replacing the elements from the database on the Notion page. How exactly does it work? I have added a video of how you can exactly generate an invoice document in bulk utilizing the exact same things I mentioned. So in this video, we will talk about how you can use a Notion page, which is an invoice template, and a database which can replace the elements on the invoice template to generate documents in bulk. So do watch this video to understand more about this process. And for with the help of this, you can generate any document as per your requirement. This is just a sample video for invoices. And if you have any questions or any issues or any concerns, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any of your queries. But do check out PDF output for a use case. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.